Hello, welcome to this video, and today I want to make a DIY water filter using this apparatus. Okay, first we have charcoal. This one is fine charcoal, sand. I have this like small coral and stones. Here we got tissue, old cloth, plastic bottle. We need a rubber band, and we're gonna filter this water that I take from the pond. Okay, let's get started. Okay, first, this bottle I cut bottom. This is the bottom. In here I put some tissue. Put tissue in here to block from the charcoal being filtered down. Using this cloth, we're gonna close it up and tie it with rubber band. Right, like this. And then we put our charcoal here. And then the second layer is sand. Next is small stone. And lastly, the coarse one. We prepare this. There's 4 layers. See? Alright. Then this is what the second bottle that I cut through. It's like a container. So let's filter this water. This is the end product. You can see clearly that after the water is being filtered, it will become very clear compared to the original source.